Okay, part B. Let's try it one more time. We're gonna draw another 2 by 3 square where we put our binomial on the side, sorry, so 2x plus 4, and then our trinomial on the top, so 3x squared plus x plus 2. Now let's multiply our coefficients and add our exponents. So 3 times 2 is 6. X to the first, x squared gives me x cubed. 2x times x gives me 2x squared. 2x times 2 gives me 4x. And then 4 times 3 gives me 12. Keep the x squared. 4 times x gives me 4x. And then 4 times 2 gives me 8. Now let's identify our like terms, which should be diagonal from each other. So we get 12x squared and 2x squared. Those are like terms. And then my next ones are 4x and 4x. So let's write our answer so far. What we got? Our highest degree is 3, so we're going to keep our 6x cubed at the top of our answer, followed by our like terms we circled in green. So 12x squared plus 2x squared gives me 14x squared. Now my like terms that are in purple, so 4x plus 4x gives me 8x, with my last 8 at the end, so plus 8. And there we have it, our polynomial and our answer using the area method. Now go ahead and try the next ones, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.